Welcome to our comparison of the Corsair RM1000X power supplies. Today, we will dive deep into the features and specifications of two impressive models, the 2021 RM1000X and the latest ATX 3.1 version. Both units promise high performance and reliability, but they cater to different needs in the evolving landscape of PC hardware. Let's find out which one is the better choice for your setup. When it comes to pricing, the 2021 RM1000X is priced at $189, making it a more budget-friendly option for those looking for reliable power without the latest features. On the other hand, the ATX 3.1 model comes in at $229, reflecting its advanced capabilities and future-proofing for modern systems. While the price difference is $40, it's essential to consider the value each model brings based on your specific needs. Both power supplies boast impressive efficiency ratings, with the 2021 model achieving the standard 80+ Gold certification. However, the newer ATX 3.1 model takes it a step further with Cybenetics Gold certification, which often indicates stricter testing and higher efficiency levels, rated up to 91%. This means that while both units are efficient, the ATX 3.1 model is designed to handle power demands even better, especially under load. A significant difference between these two models lies in their connectivity options. The 2021 RM1000X features a standard 8-pin PCIe connector, which may require adapters for the latest high-performance GPUs. In contrast, the ATX 3.1 model includes a native 12 volts -2x6 connector, providing a direct connection for modern graphics cards without the hassle of additional adapters. This feature not only simplifies installation, but also enhances power delivery for demanding components. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM1000X power supplies offer excellent performance and reliability, but your choice should depend on your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for older systems, the 2021 model is a fantastic option. However, for those building new high-performance rigs with the latest GPUs, the ATX 3.1 model is worth the investment for its advanced features and future-proofing capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.